Hello, good morning. This is Dr. Amit Jain from Bharati Hospital. I'm an assistant professor here in the Department of Dermatology. And आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं skin care in monsoon. So we are going to be answering few of the frequently asked question. And the first frequently asked question is, how does monsoon change skin care? I think the features of monsoon in the form of increased humidity and increased moisturization pose certain challenges when it comes to skincare, and we need to address these challenges. These challenges can be related with facial skincare, where increased humidity and increased moisture can give rise to certain skin complaints in the form of acne or in the form of skin irritations, skin allergies, or these complaints can be in the form of various infections that may be viral rashes or even fungal infections, and we are going to be today taking a look at it. The second question is, how do we take care of our skin during monsoon? And for this we are going to go stepwise. So for the facial skin care, it is important that we use a gentle cleanser that removes the excess oil that gets deposited in the increased humidity in the monsoon. It is also important that we use a light moisturizer. I know a lot of people have this question where they are wondering that why would we need to use moisturizers, because the humidity is so much. However, our skin needs hydration, and that's why हमें moisturizer use करना चाहिए. साथ में the sunscreen needs are also important, because in monsoon what happens is the UV ray concentration increases because UV rays cannot go back because of the clouds, and hence the tanning and the sun allergy complaints can be more, and that's why we must use the lights. Be taking care of is fungal infections related. Nowadays a lot of people are suffering from fungal infections, and in monsoon, because of increased humidity, increased wetness, the clothes that are wet, the fungal infections can spread very rapidly, and hence we should take care of that. So what we should do to avoid all that? To avoid fungal infections, we should make sure that we are wearing dry clothes, we are wearing light clothes, breezy clothes, where even if they get wet, the wetness should be temporary. We can use dusting powder to keep the innards dry. And talking about avoiding viral infections and viral rashes, we can wear full coverage clothes, full coverage light clothes that will make sure that are protecting us against the sun and also against the increased onslaught of insect bite when it comes. The third question is the sunscreen mandatory in the monsoons as well? For this I would say yes, sunscreen is very important. In the monsoon, what happens, because of the cloudy nature, the sun rays come in but they don't go out. Hence the UV rays concentration can increase and can result in increased sun allergies, increased sun tanning, and hence a sunscreen is important. The choice of sunscreen is also very important. What we need to use are light, non-comedogenic, matte finish sunscreens rather than something that is very oily, very pasty, that may give rise to more complaints rather than protecting us. So it is very important, the choice of sunscreen. The fourth question is, how is the effect of monsoon and humidity seen on our skin? The increased skin humidity, the increased skin moisturization sometimes can give rise to blocked pores that can result in acne. Sometimes there are a lot of chemicals in the air, and when they are falling down with the rain, we can experience some allergic rashes. The amount of insects, the amount of mosquitoes increase in the monsoon. So we might suffer from certain viral infections that may give rise to viral rashes. The food products that are unsanitary outside, eating them can give rise to allergic conditions like urticaria. We can experience, because of increased wetness, certain fungal infections like ringworms or candidiasis, and which are important to again treat and contain. So these are all the conditions that might be triggered in the monsoons particularly. The question is moisturizer necessary in the monsoon? I would say yes, moisturizer is necessary. A lot of us again may feel that there is increased hydration, there is increased moisture and humidity, and we should not use a moisturizer, and we can get away with the moisturizer. For them, I would say, despite your belief, our skin does need hydration, and for that hydration, it is important that we use non-greasy, non-comedogenic, light moisturizers. These moisturizers can be a lifesaver It is very important to use them, and I understand that a lot of the times we are not aware of all these products. So in those cases, we are here, the dermatologist in Bharati Hospital and elsewhere are here to guide you regarding these skincare products, these skincare procedures. If you have any queries, any complaints, please you can reach out to us in Bharati Hospital, and we are always here to provide you with the care. Thank you.